Ever wondered how much your diet affects your body, beyond just your weight? It turns out, the foods you eat can dramatically influence your hormone levels, including testosterone, which is crucial not only for muscle growth and maintenance, but also for overall health. Today we're diving into the foods that can help boost your testosterone levels naturally. From oysters to pomegranates, we'll explore why these foods are your best allies in maintaining hormonal balance. Let's get started. First up, oysters and shellfish, known for being prime sources of zinc, crucial for testosterone production. Just a few servings a week can provide significant zinc intake. Additionally, oysters contain more zinc per serving than any other food, and this mineral is vital for sperm health and reproductive function. Garlic and onions feature compounds like allicin in garlic and antioxidants in onions. These help lower cortisol levels, which competes with testosterone in your body, thereby potentially boosting testosterone levels. Garlic also enhances the production of nitric oxide, which supports blood flow and muscle growth, enhancing overall physical health. Pomegranates are not just tasty but powerful. Studies indicate that pomegranate juice can increase testosterone levels, improving mood and libido. Beyond testosterone, the antioxidants in pomegranates can also improve heart health and reduce the risk of various chronic diseases. Spinach and other leafy greens are rich in magnesium, which has been shown to correlate with higher testosterone levels. These vegetables are simple yet effective additions to your diet. Spinach also offers a good source of nitrate, which aids in blood flow, crucial for optimal physical performance. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are essential for providing vitamin D, saturated fats, and omega-3 acids, all known to aid in increasing testosterone levels. Furthermore, eggs are a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and recovery. Bananas contain the enzyme bromelain, which may help boost testosterone levels, along with being rich in potassium that aids testosterone synthesis. The B vitamins present in bananas also play an integral role in energy production and can reduce stress, further optimizing testosterone production. Tuna and other fatty fish rich in vitamin D are vital for testosterone production. Regular consumption can help maintain optimal levels. It's also important to note that fatty fish like salmon and mackerel can help lower globulin, a substance that binds to testosterone, thus making more testosterone available in the body. Ginger has shown in several studies to significantly increase testosterone levels when consumed regularly. Additionally, ginger improves sperm health and has anti-inflammatory effects that support overall health. Avocados are not only nutrient-rich but also loaded with fats that can help increase testosterone. They are a great source of vitamin E, which plays a key role in testosterone production. Avocados also provide dietary fiber, which helps maintain a healthy weight and thus supports higher testosterone levels. Cocoa products, especially dark chocolate, are high in flavonoids and magnesium, which may support increased testosterone production. Dark chocolate's antioxidant properties not only help in increasing testosterone but also improve cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure. Honey contains boron, a mineral associated with high testosterone levels. It also provides nitric oxide, which opens up blood vessels and increases blood flow, a key component in testosterone production. Consuming honey can also increase the level of testosterone through its rich antioxidants that prevent oxidative stress. Fortified plant milk, rich in vitamins D and E, can be an excellent addition for those following a plant-based diet to ensure adequate nutrient intake for testosterone production. These nutrients are essential not only for hormone synthesis, but also for supporting bone health and immune function. Extra virgin olive oil boosts testosterone levels due to its high levels of healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which are essential for hormone production and balance. Regular consumption of olive oil has been linked to a decrease in inflammation and an improvement in the body's ability to use insulin, further influencing testosterone levels positively. Incorporating foods like oysters, garlic, pomegranates, and extra virgin olive oil into your diet can naturally enhance your testosterone levels. To fully optimize your health, however, it's essential to understand not only what to include but also what to avoid. Visit the bonus link in the description below to gain access to crucial information on foods and habits that might be lowering your testosterone levels and discover why maintaining healthy testosterone is so vital. This comprehensive guide will help you make informed decisions that can significantly impact your overall well-being. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health tips and tricks just like this.